Intersections is a week-long festival exploring new frontiers in media, art and technology. In 2017, the festival was themed Ethics and Politics of Media and Technology.
So we chose this theme of ethics and politics because the potential applications of technology, whether it's in automation, artificial intelligence or biotechnology, people overlook the potential implications of technology. And we simply wanted to explore this theme in a very playful and engaging manner.
Intersections brought together academics, industry experts, activists and artists in a day-long symposium, debating emerging trends in science and media.
This week has been an opportunity for artists and technologists that wouldn't interact otherwise to come together and to develop new tools that are questioning the future of the technology with a specific focus on the way we approach the ethics of media and arts.